Hello friends, this video on differential equation part 10 is brought to you by examfear.com. No more fear from exam. Before watching this video, please make sure that you have watched part 1 to part 9. Let's solve on this. You need to find the particular solution. Please note, till now we have been finding general solution. Now we are told to find a particular solution for this differential equation. Please pay attention here. Again here dy by dx, we have a hell lot of term in terms of x only, right? So we can say that this guy is nothing but dy is nothing but 2x square plus x by x cube plus x square plus x plus 1 dx. Correct? And let's integrate both sides. Now to integrate this both sides, we have to use this formula here, because this guy, you know that x cube plus x square plus x plus 1 I can write as x plus 1 into x square plus 1. Correct? So this integration is a challenge here. X plus 1 into x square plus 1 dx. And this we know that we write something in this fashion: a by x plus 1 plus bx plus c by x square plus 1 dx. So if you are having difficulty in understanding this, what I am doing, please watch my integral chapter where we've explained why we are using this. This is how we break this, and then we solve this to get the value of a, b and c. If you solve this, you get a is equal to 1 by 2, b is equal to 3 by 2 and c is equal to minus 1 by 2. I won't solve this for you now because I have done a couple of examples in the integral chapter. We can use that. So with this, if you solve, actually this becomes 1 by 2 into 1 by x plus 1 plus 3 by 2 x minus 1 by 2 whole thing divided by x square plus 1 dx. Correct? So if you solve this, you will get something like this: 1 by 2 log of x plus 1 plus 3 by 2. This becomes x by x square plus 1. If you solve this, again you will get 3 by 4 actually log of x square plus 1, and you will get minus 1 by 2. This becomes tan inverse x plus. That is what you get. So this solving this, I am not paying attention here because we know how to do this. Now the trick here is, this is a constant here, so it's a general solution, but I want a particular solution. For this, I have been told that y is equal to 1 when x is equal to 0. So let's put y is equal to 1 and x is equal to 0. 1 by 2 log x is equal to 0, 0 plus 1 1 plus 3 by 4 log 0 plus 1 minus 1 by 2 tan inverse 0 plus c. With this becomes 0, this becomes 0, this becomes 0, or I get c is equal to 1. So in this solution itself, instead of c, I'll say 1, and that is my answer. Since there is no constant here, so this is nothing but my particular solution. Please note, this is my particular solution. The only extra step involved here is find the value of c. Here we found the value of c to be 1 and we put the value. One more similar example: x into x square minus 1 dy by dx is equal to 1. You refactor this, becomes x into x by x square minus 1 is equal to dy. You can break this further. This becomes dx by x into x plus 1 into x minus 1 equal to dy. To find the integration, you have to just break this into fashion such way that this becomes a by x plus b by x plus 1 plus c by x minus 1, the whole thing dx is equal to integration of dy, that is y actually I can say. Correct? So to find the value of a, b and c, so you can solve that. You'll get a is equal to minus 1, b is equal to 1 by 2 and c is equal to 1 by 2. That's what you get when you solve the value of a, b and c. If you're having difficulty in finding how to solve this, you can just refer my integral chapter where we explain this. So this becomes, actually you can say y becomes, if you solve this, this becomes integration of 1 by x plus 1 by 2 into 1 by x plus 1, sorry, x minus 1 plus 1 by 2 1 by x minus 1 dx. Correct? All dot dx. So if we solve this, this becomes y becomes minus log x plus 1 by 2 log x minus 1 plus 1 by 2 log x plus 1 plus constant. I can make it log c. Why? Because everything is log term, right? So what I'm getting here is 1 by 2. If I take common, I'll say multiply 2 by 2, right? So this becomes log, also I'll take, this becomes x square. In fact, x to the power minus 2, this becomes x square this side, this becomes x minus 1, this becomes x plus 1, and this is anyway, I'll multiply and divide by 2. So this becomes c square. That's what I get, y. Correct? Now I'm told y is equal to 0 when x is equal to 2. Let's put this value, y is equal to 0, x is equal to 2, log of 2 minus 1 is 1, 2 plus 1 is 3, 2 into 2 is 4, right? C square. So I get c square is 4 by 3. Correct? And my final solution was this guy. So in this I'll put c square is equal to 4 by 3. So my final solution will be y is equal to 1 by 2 log x square minus 1 by x square into c square is 4 by 3. And that is my answer. And if you see, there is no constant term, so it is a particular solution. Correct? So nothing great here also. The only thing is extra is we have to find the value of c. Let's take one example. Cos dy by dx is equal to a. So I can rewrite as dy by dx is equal to cos inverse a. So don't get confused here. Don't tell that it is cos of dy by dx. So just it is dy by dx is equal to cos inverse a I got. And cos inverse a is some constant actually, right? So what I get is dy is nothing but cos inverse a dx. You integrate both sides, you get y is equal to cos inverse cos inverse a x plus some constant. The question says y is equal to 1 when x is equal to 0. We put y is equal to 1, x is equal to 0, cos inverse a into 0 plus c. You get c is equal to 1. You put c in this equation, you get this guy, if you see, is a general solution. But I am looking for particular solution, so I'll put c is equal to 1 here. So I get y is equal to x cos inverse a plus 1. And that is my particular solution. Correct? So very simple. I just found dy by dx is equal to cos inverse a, that's constant here anyway. So I just integrated this both sides, we got the answer. So for the differential equation, this xy into dy by dx plus x plus 2 is equal to x plus 2 into y plus 2. We have to find the solution of the curve passing through 1, that means we are looking for a particular solution here. So the question says we have this xy dy by dx is equal to x plus 2 into y plus 2. I have to find the solution. So to do this, I'll rearrange this. I get dy into y by y plus 2 is equal to dx into x plus 2 by x. Correct? Integrate both sides. So this is nothing but 1 minus 2y plus 2. Correct? That's what you get. Dy equal to 1 plus 2 by x dx. So you solve this, you get y minus, this becomes 2 log of y plus 2 is equal to x plus 2 log x plus some constant. That's what you get. Now you define the value of c. You told that 1 comma minus 1 is a solution. So y is equal to minus 1 minus 2 into log of minus 1 plus 2 is 1 is equal to x is 1 plus 2 into log of 1 plus log 1 is 0, log 1 is 0, you get c as minus 2. So you put c as minus 2 here, and that is my solution. So this guy becomes a particular solution. Correct? Let's take one more example. So the question says we to find the equation of the curve passing through this point. That means again we are looking for a particular solutions. Given that at any point the product of slope of a tangent, that is slope of tangent is dy by dx, into y, the product of this guy into this guy, is equal to x coordinate. This is my equation given, and I have been told that passes through 0, -2. I have to find the equation. So very simple here. This becomes y dy is equal to x dx. Integrate this, you get y square by 2 is equal to x square by 2 plus. I am told that 0, -2 is a solution. So y is equal to -2, that is -2 square by 2 is equal to x is 0, 0 square plus 2 is equal to c, or I get c is equal to 2. I'll put the value of c in this equation. I get y square by 2 is equal to or minus x square by 2 minus c, that is 2 is equal to 0. 2 I can write 4 by 2. So again this is cancel. I get y square minus x square. Then very simple actually. Just we have this equation, put the value of c to be 2 here and get the answer. The trick part here was understanding this question says. The question says that the slope and y coordinate product is equal to x coordinate. That is the tricky part in this question. This question says that at any point xy on the curve, the slope of the tangent is twice the slope of tangent is twice slope of the line segment joining this point and that xy. So if let's suppose if my xy is the point, and let's suppose this is -4, -3, the slope of this line will be y minus -3 is y plus 3, by x minus -4 is x plus 4. So this is by slope of this line. The question says the slope of tangent, that is dy by dx, is twice the slope of this 2m, right? What is the value of m? Y plus 3 by x plus 4. This is the tricky part in this question, to form this equation. So once you form this equation, the question is simple for you, correct? The question says the slope of tangent, this guy, is twice of the slope of line segment joining point this and this. So maybe let's suppose the slope of that line segment is m, and m is something we have found here, that if x and y be a point and -4 and -3 be a point, the slope of line joining these 2 points is y plus 3 by x plus 4, and then we got this equation. Once we have this equation, the solving is not difficult. Dy by y plus 3 is equal to dx by x plus 4. You integrate both sides, you get log of y plus 3 is equal to log of x plus 4, some constant. We are told that -2, 1 passes through. So let's put the value. Y is equal to 1 and x is equal to -2, right? Plus c. So what do you get? Log 4 minus log 2, right? Minus log 2 is equal to c, or c, if you see, sorry, there's a common mistake here. This is 2, so 2 here, 2 here, so 2 into log 2. Log 4 minus 2 into log 2 is 0. Why? Because 2 into log 2 is nothing but log 2 square, you see, and log 2 square is nothing but log 4. So log 4 minus log 4 is 0. So I get c is equal to 0. So I got, this is my answer actually, but in this case I'll just put c is equal to 0. So I get log of y plus 3 is equal to log of x plus 4 square, because it is 2, so I'll put it here. You remove log both sides, you get y plus 3 is equal to x plus 4 square. There is no constant part, so this is a particular solution, and that is my answer. Correct? So nothing great here. The trick part was understanding that this is the equation, that is dy by dx is equal to 2 of y plus 3 by x plus 4. That was the tricky part. Thank you. Visit examfear.com to watch free educational videos, try free online tests, get the best quality study materials, study from the best tutors and mentors, and much more. Thanks once again.